What's up, guys? This is Dwight with Auction Up here. It's a beautiful Saturday. Temperature's pretty nice. It's a whopping 42 degrees. So in the wintertime, if you say 42 degrees is nice, we're well on our way to the spring. But going to an auction. I was supposed to go to one this morning. I ain't feel like it. My wife kept me out late last night at a birthday party. She could be a bit of a party animal at times. So that's a joke. If you knew my wife, that's a big joke. But anyway, we were out pretty late last night. So I didn't go to the auction this morning, but there's a second auction today I wanted to go to. I've always done well at this auction. I actually need to do a follow-up because I recently did a toy auction there and I killed it. And I need to do a compilation video on that one. But I'm heading over to this auction, see what we can get with treasures. I went the other day, didn't do that great. My wife just came back at me with numbers of 300 to 400. So I spent 70, made $300 to $400. It's all right, but we could do a lot better than that. So let's go ahead and see if we can find this auction. Here we go. This is all pretty random household goods, nothing special. I'm looking for vintage or old. I'll buy new stuff, but typically I like vintage. Usually the way the auctions go, oh, you know what? This here has value. I wonder how many people here know how much people pay for these these belts. I'm not into wrestling, but I can be for the right price. We got some old pictures over here. I love old pictures. Let's see what else we got going on today. Old motion at Santa Clauses. Believe it or not, they'll sell. Never pass up that opportunity. Dungeons and Dragons here. That's another good hit if you can get it. When you buy board games, though, you want to make sure you have the no pieces. I wouldn't bother. Got toys. You know how I feel about toys. A little bit of everything going on as usual. I did see some old books on it over there. Old cap guns. I just did real good the other week here with old cap guns. One of them I got is listed for 200, I believe. So, if I'm here, the only thing that sucks is if you look down there, the crowd is big today. So, with the crowd being so heavy, you got to kind of know where you want to be before they get there, or you're not going to be able to see what's going on. A lot of old books, though. I love old books. We'll see what happens with these old books. There's usually a gem in there. What else we got going on here? For you dirty old men, you got some Playboys. Always old school Playboys. 1990. That would have put me in high school. I would have been interested. Let's see what else. I'm looking for old books I saw. Really caught my eye. I might end up staying here late if it's what I think it is. There we go. Is it a Bible? Be gentle, these pages, they literally fall apart. Oh, here we go. 1869 New Testament. So I would love to pick that up today, if the price is right. Let's see what happens. This is like an old atlas, maybe? No. Alright. See what else we got here. The cool thing about auctions this big, though, is people come and go throughout the day. This is the first one for the day. I'll be here for a while. Let's see what we can get. How you doing, sir? This is pretty cool organ. I always do well with those, as long as it's working. Alright guys, I got this old school vintage Tommy Hilfiger backpack. I only paid $1 for it, so hopefully, I'll make a little $20, $30 on it. I gotta kind of make sure it's authentic though. You know how that goes. But it's first purchase, just a little dollar bill. Ain't gonna hurt nobody. Alright guys, remember how I said you never know what you're gonna find? This is pretty cool. It's old German flag, pictures of the soldiers. I'm more likely a soldier that brought it home. It's very interesting. You know, you try to buy this, you sell on eBay, you can sell the pictures. You ain't selling that flag. And if I'm here late enough, which I'm not sure I'm gonna be here that late, but it's gonna go for really good money. This is guaranteed. A lot of salt and pepper shakers. They always do good. People collect them. There's always a gem in there, but it's like a pain in the butt to find. So, see what else we got here. Yeah, typical auction stuff. Oh, got my jewelry. Always sells. The jewelry I brought the other week, some of it already sold. A little bit of everything as usual though. A little bit of everything. Yeah, I remember these. I wanted to get one to send at home back in 1994. I remember that very well, vividly. I didn't do it though. Bothered me for years. I should have did it. That's what I get for being cheap. Always been cheap. People used to make fun of me being cheap. I didn't think I was. As I got older, I realized, yeah, I'm cheap. So what do I do now? I embrace it. Little dog licenses. That's pretty cool. Guys, pickings are slim, but I did manage to pick up an old scanner here. So if it does work, I paid $3 for it, and it should be worth about, I'd say roughly 40. But yeah, I'm just taking my time. It's got a lot to go through here. I just saw a teapot I really want to get, so I'm gonna head back there and see if I can get it. Number 2.
Lot 2. Alright, your choice, guys. Anything you see on the table there. Hey, give me $10 there to start. $10 to go, a choice there. $10 to go, give me $5. $5, $6. I get 5 and 6 where? I get $5 business and choice. 6, 5, 6. $5 business 6, 7. 7 but 8. 8 back there. 8 sold $7. 179.
Teapot.
The teapot. One time. Anybody else?
Alright guys, I consider that a score. Got that teapot for $7. Very happy with that buy. This teapot right here. Now one way you can tell that it's old is, hopefully you can see it. You'll see the crazing. That's with the cracks in the cracks in the bottom of it. It's called the crazing. Another way I could tell that the age, it's made in England. Well, they do make newer ones in there, but this one's older, definitely. The crazing happens a lot of times, like when they sit it out in the sun. But anyway, just a little lesson for you guys, but I got my teapot. Alright guys, I just picked up this old camera. It's really old. Paid $2 for it. It's a little bit of a long shot, but you never know. I paid $2. It might be worth 50, it may be worth more, maybe worth nothing, but it's worth the risk. But alright, so I'm gonna go back around and see what else I can get. Hey guys, I just bought another copy of Ben-Hur. This is like 1908 version. I had recently purchased the first edition of it. It was like worth $130, but I gave it away as a Christmas gift to somebody that really wanted it. So I was like, I saw another copy, an early copy of it, so I had to buy it. If that person sees this video, they'll get a kick out of that. But alright, so I paid like $1 for that box lot. There's got to be a little bit of value in there. Well, I know this book, I already looked it up, it's worth 15. But yeah, old books sell. You just gotta have the right ones, as I always say. Alright guys, I had a picture here. You can tell it's older by the back. Paid $3 for it. It'd be easy $25, $30 sale. Paid $1 for this. It's a wall hanging, but they sell. When I first started, they didn't sell, but they do sell now. This VCR, I picked it up, it was for $1. It will blow your mind. As long as I can test it out, it'll be easy $35, give or take. But I'm not doing that great today, but you know, you win some, you lose some. Alright guys, I got some pretty cool stuff here. Got this old book here with recipes in it. There was a date in the front of it from 1900. So Value, I don't know. A lot of handwritten notes. I usually do really good with ledgers and diaries, etc. So we'll see what we get. Some other cool stuff here on the front, as you can see. But I'll hand this off to my wife and she'll let me know. I paid $10 for this. This here is an old camera. I thought it was in better shape. If it was new, it would have been a score. I paid $22 for it. And right now I'm not sure what's going to happen, so we'll see eventually with a compilation video. Got one of these old wall hangings for $1. Got a cool picture here for. Got this cool picture here for $3. Bought a leather covered decanter for $2, I believe. Old wine bottle. They always sell for $30. VCR for $1. They'll sell for $30 easy. Anyway. It's going. It's not the best day, but I'm making the best of it. Let me see what else I can get. Alright guys, a little out of breath. I wasn't going to get this, but I decided to not be lazy. It's an easy $35 for $1. It's a Life World Library. So, I don't know, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so it should be the whole set. So it's easy. I'm gonna mark it up to $40. So it's an easy $40. Gets frustrating sometimes at the auction sale because you get tired of carrying the stuff out to the car. But money is money. I can't tell you how many times I've lost money just out of laziness. So it's a thought. Alright guys, just carried out some more stuff. Picked up this phone for $2. You'd be amazed. This is a quick sale for like $20. But you know, $2. Got this pretty cool lot. Paid $3 for these. This is a bunch of expired dog tags. I don't know, I just bought some dog tags the other day. I don't know, I guess it's dog tag season. But it's like 1975, 86. I thought I saw a earlier one in here. 70, 84, 74. Anyway, you get the idea. But got this lot of dog tags. I sell this a lot. I'm suspecting at least $30 if I just sell it in bulk. Bought this here. Thought this just looked neat. Bought it for like $1. Looks like somebody's racing horse at some point. 1965. This is at some Greenmount Park. Another one. Paid. That I'm sure that was a good buy. It's not gonna make me rich, but we'll definitely be able to sell that. But that's what I got so far. They're about to pick up pace in here. I don't know, getting bored, so I don't know how long I'm gonna last, but we'll see. Tell my wife around 5 o'clock I want to do something good with the family, so we'll see what happens. But I'm heading in.
They all make noise. Buy the bees on them, you'll metal. $5 bill, $5 bill, buy 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, your choice, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, $7. $1.16, you'll take the metal.
pretty cool.
Dollar bill for all that. Dollar bill $2, $2, dollar bill 37.
Well, guys, I've been sitting here for about an hour. I finally got some Indian hip buzz. Look pretty good. I got paid $12 for 2 of them. Gotta make sure I don't damage them when I take them outside. Alright, just made a good buy. These Buffalo Lithia water jars is a really good buy. This would be an antique, very old vintage. Here's the other one. Alright. I really think I overdid it today, but I just wrapped up. Spent like $150. I am tired. Been here way too long. I made money today, but it was kind of like a struggle to make money today, so wasn't the greatest weekend, but that's the way it goes. I definitely made money today though, so I'm leaving here happy. Please remember to like the videos and to subscribe to my channel. Helps me out a lot. And that building was freezing. I'm going to my house. I've got to warm up. All right, till next time, guys.